What's up, everybody? It's me again, and today I'm doing another Do Not Laugh involving John Cena. Now, this is viral videos with John Cena. I've never watched it. I just saw it in the last John Cena video I did, so I figured why not try not to laugh to it. So here we go. Once it loads up. Half this video is going to be loading in. Alright, here we go. Sneezing Panda.
John Cena.
John Cena.
Open star. You're lucky
Okay.
she even performed for you bastards. Leave John Cena alone. Please. John Cena. John Cena. That really hurt.
Oh, come on. That just...
John Cena.
I cannot put off my surgery any longer. Tonight I leave the WWE.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god. Stop fucking lying. Con los terroristas.
Shake.
John Cena.
Also, comment if you think I'm gonna win or lose.
Can I tell you the bad guy's name? Yeah. This is the guy. John Cena.
He's the bad guy?
Yeah.
Everybody knows and I feel left off.
Oh,
Girl,
come.
you got me down, you got me stressed out.
And I stay up there, you fight. Plus I'm storming on
I
the
won.
like I'm thunder and lightning.
Finally!
Way you breaking me,
I
can't
won.
nails. Plus I keep it on lock like I'm
I know this was a short video, but what the heck, I just saw it and I was hoping I could watch it. Thug Life WWE Superstars. I'm gonna watch that. You know what, this is a short video, two-parter. I've won so far. What the heck, you might as well just do it. I don't know. Try not to laugh.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty, 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 trying to catch me riding dirty. My music so loud, I'm swinging. They hoping that they gon' catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding
What
dirty,
the heck?
trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding, trying to catch me riding. Ryback is ready to eat.
Oh, Seth Rollins, this is...
Kevin Owens! Kevin Owens! Interfere!
Fuck the police coming straight from the underground. A young nigga got it bad cause I'm... You know who's back up in this motherfucker. So blaze the weed up then. Blaze that shit up, nigga. Yeah. What's up, Snoop?
Free for Mark Henry here tonight over Sheamus. I have nothing.
I remember that.
Fuck the police coming straight
That's not the first time they've done it. That's not the only time they've done it.
All my niggas be thinking we soft. That's the wise idea, Big Show.
Oh no. Oh no. He had to go some sort of training therapy or whatever.
Emotions are too high. Hell in the cell is over with. We will.
Oh, no.
Snoop Dogg.
Knockout.
I just need one thing, okay? I need you to give it back.
Give the mask back. Dang it. Well, I won the first challenge, I was still victory. I don't even know. So anyway guys, that was it for this reaction video. I will do some more gaming on this channel later, but for now it's just reactions. I didn't do them enough of these, so that's why I'm doing them. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe for thanks, you know, all that crap. And I will see you all in my next video. Woo! Let's get thug life for that.